Welcome to another Porter's Review. Today we're going to do Iron Man 2 comic series War Machine. The War Machine comes with one base stand, one transparent missile accessory, one yellow machine gun effect accessory, and one War Machine action figure. Now, this is my first War Machine ever, so here with me. Already got the Marvel Legends one, as you know, Marvel Legends are the best Marvel figures, but for his size, you can go toe-to-toe, a few G.I. Joes and Star Wars and whatnot, so, yeah, I guess he's worth it. I mean, they're worth it, especially if you have a lot of, or want to get characters in this size, especially if you have Build-A-Figures like Galactus or Sentinel or something. These are good for, scale-wise, or if you just always like, smaller figures, but just any figure like me, so whatever. Anyway, the machine is nicely painted in you got this dark blue, but it's muffled with some black over it, so it kind of looks like battle damage. It might just be black with some blue on it, but it's cool. It's got this nice silvery aluminum color. I mean, it is a little shiny, but it's not too shiny, so that's good. He does have, two, what appears to be rockets that are coming out of there. That's what I think it is, and then there's no weapon sticking out here. It's just a solid piece. Just have a repulsor ray in there, but it's not painted. This is nicely painted. Face is nicely painted. The eyes are, and then the laser sight at the side of the. At the side of the head. Oh, a little red dot on the side of his head. Painted. So it's pretty cool now. He does have these guns on his back, which are pretty cool. He's on this ball drum so he can go far around. This is a missile launcher, and this is a machine gun. Machine gun can go all the way around too. And they do slide up. So we can have it like that. And we can slide it down. And be like plop, 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 plop. But you can do better if you clip on this. Like that. If you don't want to use that, you can use the missile launcher. Or if you just want them to use both, you can just clip this back on, keep it up, and then just be like pop, 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 pop. And just be like, because these War Machines, you gotta go in there die, everybody die, so, anyway, his articulation is somewhat similar to all the other ones, but with a little bit of differences. He does have, big shoulder pads that will hinder his movement in his arms, as you see. Once if you lift them up, you can always do making like a Shakespeare, to be or not to be, or whatever. I can go. And now mine are still tight because I just keep these down most of the time. Forward and back, single joint here, full 360 forearm, wrist rotates full 360, other wrist rotates full 360, but it's hindered by these rockets coming out. That's okay. I mean, he's just, you got a bunch of weapons, so if he can't, move his fist all the way around, doesn't matter. Same thing with the other arm. 360. You can get a somewhat good punch with him, but these are gonna hit on whatever you're punching before the fist does. So if you don't like that, you can just take that off, but it would be nice if they could retract. That would be good. But he does have a torso joint, but it's kind of, it's there, but it's hard to get out of there without scratching the paint under there. I don't mind it. There's another War Machine coming out. I'll get that. Be a little bit different, so that's okay. I'm gonna have only 5 or 6 different Iron Man armor anyway, so what's another War Machine? If War Machine can have one other armor, anyway, it's got the same, strong joint at the thigh up here, but it is like at an angle, as you can see. So you got that joint where you gotta fold it up and then fold it to the side, where it kind of hits that. So I mean, that's alright. He's got double jointed knees, and his ankles can go side to side just a little bit. They're hindered by the armor plates, and it can go forward and back just a tiny bit. At least on mine, it does just a tiny bit. Yeah. Yeah. No, he does the peg holes on each foot, so you can just pick him into a stand, but mine doesn't really. I don't think you would really need it, because, he's such a solid, he's solid standing. He doesn't fall over or nothing. I mean, unless you, actually try to knock him over, he won't fall over. For size comparison, here he is with his buddy Iron Man, and first appearance Iron Man. No, actually, I put them in front of him, so it looked kind of like he was bigger, but and there you go. So, yeah, he's a pretty good figure. I mean, he does, have some portability problems because of his armor, his chest, and these flaps, and his legs, a little bit in these plates here, but, he's still a War Machine. He's got these cool flip-up guns that are on a ball joint, so you can have him shoot backwards, and shoot sideways, and just shoot all over the place. His head's on this joint, which that's hindered by his armor just a little bit too. So, I mean, he's War Machine. I mean, you can fold these down too, so you can just see War Machine and not his guns in the back. It kind of looks like a jetpack almost, but he's got rocket boots, so. So yeah, there you have it now. Iron Man 2 Comic Series War Machine. Stay tuned. Crimson Dynamo is next.